Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while that I haven't done a proper haul, and today I want to show you all the new pieces that I've got from Sézane, from the winter collection. So of course this was not only one order, like I work with Sézane, like I think this is not secret and I'm very proud of it. I love the brand, and so this is all pieces that I built up since the beginning of winter, and since I've got so many now, I thought like let's do a proper haul and I can show you all of them. It's a lot of knitwear, like sweaters, like it's some of my favorite pieces of Sézane. So there's a lot of knitwear, a couple of jackets and trousers as well, so I can also show you some outfit. And let's get started. So the first piece is this cardigan I'm wearing now. One of my favorite pieces is very versatile because you can wear it either as a cardigan and you have these little mother of pearls buttons, that's very cute details, or you can wear it the other way around and having the buttons at the back. So like you button it up and you wear it like backwards, and then it's like just like a very thin jumper. So I think like this is the most versatile piece. I love it. It comes in so many colors. So if you take a look at the website, I think it's like almost 10 colors. And it's 95 euros and is a combination of alpaca and mohair. And so it's very warm, but at the same time it's very thin. So I also wear it a lot underneath blazers, and I think this is definitely like the most versatile piece of the whole of today. The second piece is a sweater, and it is exactly the same fabric combination of the cardigan. It comes in less colors, I think in 3 colors in total, and I went for this like dusty pink. So as I said, it's exactly the same price and fabric composition, but then you have this really nice braided detail and boat neck. So very similar. If you're not looking for a cardigan, I think this is a very good alternative, and you can tuck it in, wear it outside, so again quite versatile. So moving on to a bit of a thicker knitwear. This is mohair and merino wool, very warm. This one, when I put it on my Instagram, I think it was like almost 2 months ago, like everyone went crazy, like everyone loved this sweater, and I understand because I love it in white, but it comes in again different colors. All my colors are like quite, you know, basic, but if you want to go like in bright red, like they do come in brighter colors as well. And round neck, really like the detail at the front, and it's quite a basic knit, and especially I like this one in a total white look. That's how I wore it on Instagram, we can put a picture. And very similar, I have this one again, same fabric composition, very similar price. This is like 100 euros, boat neck again, but this one has a bit more of a balloon sleeve. In all these sweaters I normally size up because Sézane, being like a French brand, comes in quite small sizes, so in all of them I went for like large or like extra large, but that is like a personal thing. Like if you like it more true to size, you can, I would always say like size up at least one size in Sézane, you know, because I quite like a big of a full sweater, but then it's up to you. And another piece, very similar composition to the one before. This one is like the warmest cardigan I have in this winter, like very like grandpa style. I really like it. It gives me like a lot of a vintage vibe. It comes in 3 colors. I think the grey one I really like. I was really in between the grey and the camel, but then this is my favorite color, so I went for the camel. And as I said, it's very warm. It's a bit more expensive than the sweater. This is 125, but again I layered it with blazer that I'm gonna show you later. So I had like a turtleneck, this cardigan and the blazer, and I was warm enough. So this is how warm it is. I'm gonna show you a picture of this as well because I had it on my Instagram already, and this is another favorite of mine. And the next 3 sweaters I'm gonna show you is like the newest I've got, so I haven't worn them, yeah. So very similar to the cardigan. If you again don't like the cardigan option, this is the sweater. Same fabric composition, is a little bit cheaper. This is 95. I love the big balloon sleeves, and it's not too long, so you can easily tuck it in your trousers, and you have a little bit of a high neck. So this is a proper winter sweater, comes in 4 colors, and I think, again, this, I'm gonna say like everyone is my favorite because I love this so much. And last 2 knits I'm gonna show you. So I like this so much that I got like the same in 2 different colors. So this is one in dusty pink and another one in camel. Boat neck, I really loved the braid at the front. We're going skiing over the Christmas holidays, so I think this is the perfect sweater that I'm gonna take with me. They're like 100 euros, they come in 4 colors if I'm not wrong. So again, a very good winter basic, very warm. It's 48% mohair, so quite good fabric composition, and if you after a sweater that would keep you like extra warm in winter, this is a very good option. Again, with the sizing, I went for extra large because I'm quite tall and I always have the problem that all the sleeves are short on me, but I'll say like you can easily size up at least 1 size. This is my advice in all of these knits. So done with the sweaters, let's hop into the coats. Now, of course, Sézane offers so many coats in winter, but my favorites from them is like this sort of like blazer coats that are a little bit shorter, a little bit thinner, but are really cool for layering, and as I said, wore it together with a very thick sweater, like it does keep you warm enough, and the price is quite good. They're like 290 euros, so below 300, and it's a very good fabric composition. This one, for example, then I'm gonna try them on, but I have this camel from last year actually, and I'm still wearing it a lot this year, so this was a very good one, and it came back on the website. This is how good it is. Camel with like a really cute pink inside. It's 75% wool, so this is always what you have to look when you look for coats, like the amount of wool is what is gonna keep you warm, obviously. And this is the other one, so it is exactly the same coat, but this is a bit of a different fabric composition. There is some mohair and alpaca, so you see that when you touch it, it does feel different, but it's exactly the same cut and style. But it does look different also because I have different sizing. So this one is a size 40, so it fits more fitted and I can layer less because I did have more experience with Sézane this year, and I know that if I want to fit a thick knit underneath, I have to size up a lot. So I went up 2 sizes, and this is a size 44, and it's perfect because I wore it together with the very thick camel cardigan, and as I said, I was very warm, and this is the other one. Really like the chucks. And then what I also really like from Sézane is their trousers. In fact, I do have these from last year. It's a like straight leg, pleats at the front, very classic, and I like this so much that I've ordered this year the dark grey version. These ones are a very good option for the office, for example, so you can dress them up. In most cases they come in different colors and they come with the same blazer as well, so you can make a suit for the office. They are like, the trousers, they're like 95 euros, so again quite a good price for a good pair of trousers. Like if you look at the interior, they're like really well made. And personally, because I don't have an office job, I really like to dress this down with sneakers. So you know, these trousers, like a chunky knit and sneakers, like very casual chic vibe. Or I also wore these because they're quite thin. I wore them inside high boots, and that was quite a cool look as well. So again, very versatile. You can go for the blazer or you can just go for the trousers, and it's like, I think, quite a good classic to have in your wardrobe. And last but not least, I've tried a Sézane bag, never tried before the leather pieces actually, and I'm quite happy with it. On my Instagram, when we do Q&A, I get a lot of questions like bags below 500 euros. This is 295, is 100% leather. I love the gold details. It gives me a bit of this like vintage vibe. It's very simple, but it's the perfect like everyday bag. You can fit quite a lot in it. It's like a simple bag, and sometimes like simple pieces, like easy to wear. You can go crossbody, you can wear it on your shoulder, and they're just like quite good basic in your wardrobe. And this is it. It was a lot of pieces, but quite straightforward. Like, I just wanted to go through all the Sézane pieces that I have for this winter. So if you're looking for like very good quality at like a very good price as well, like winter essentials that you can take to next year as well, like these are all very good options. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a thumb up, and of course I'll get back to all your questions like I normally do, and I'll see you next week with the next video. Bye!